Hi friends, after scanning through many stocks this weekend, I could make out that the stocks in three sectors are set for a big move. If we see price action in these stocks, we will understand that these stocks were underperforming ever since the COVID 19 downfall had started. While most of the stocks have quickly recovered from the COVID downfall in 2020 itself, stocks in these sectors, which we are going to discuss today, are still underperforming. However, as per the recent price behavior, we can make it out that now it is the turn of these stocks or these sectors to go for a good upward movement. These sectors are entertainment, fashion, and hotel industries. Entertainment, fashion, and hotel industries. Today, we'll suggest a few stocks pertaining to these sectors which can be tracked in the coming days. As these are currently narrowing down in a range and near the verge of a breakout. If the breakout succeeds in these stocks, then these stocks are likely to do well in the coming days. In entertainment segment, there are few stocks recently showing good price action. Stocks such as Inox Entertainment, ENIL, Eros International Media, and Shemaru Entertainment are looking good. Out of these four stocks, the charts of Enil and Eros are looking very interesting. These are weekly charts of Enil and Eros. See, this is Enil and this is Eros. If we draw trend lines like this, here, 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 and here, then we can see that these stocks are near their breakout area. See, this is the breakout area, this is the breakout area. If breakout succeeds, this may go to higher side. The stop loss levels are also indicated here, which needs to be strictly adhered to. These two stocks have potential to reach their respective target areas in the coming future. Similarly, from a fashion segment, chart of Shopper Stop is looking interesting. This is weekly chart of Shopper Stop. If we draw trend lines like this, we can see the price has gradually getting narrowed down, and last week, in spite of world turmoil, it has performed well and almost reached near its resistance line. If it breaks out with a good volume, then it can travel near these target areas gradually. These are the target areas. In the downside, the stop loss has also to be followed strictly. This is the stop loss level has to be followed. If it goes below this, then it will lose its importance and we may ignore the stop. Coming to the next segment, many of the stocks from hotel segment are also showing good momentum last week. Out of these, the price action of ROH Ltd, that is Royal Orchid Hotels Limited, is observed to be very interesting. If we see its weekly chart, we can see that price has convincingly broken out from the resistance line last week. Okay, see, this is a clear cut and strong breakout. Okay, if this sustains, then it can reach to its respective target areas in the future. These are the target zones. It may reach near this target area in the coming days. So you may track Eros, Enil, Shopper Stop, and ROH Ltd in the coming days. If you like this analysis, please comment, like, and subscribe to this channel for such analysis. Please also share this video with your friends so that they also can get benefited out of this analysis. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you for your valuable time. Bye bye.